All right, efficiency aficionados, we've officially reached the E in Tower, which stands for established standards. And no, I'm not talking about those stuffy, boring rules your grandma used to nag you about. We're talking about creating a set of guidelines, a code of conduct, if you will, that will keep your newly organized workspace from descending back into chaos. Think of it like this. Remember that time you tried to assemble that IKEA bookshelf without looking at the instructions? Yeah, we all know how that turned out. Establishing standards is like providing the instruction manual for your workspace, ensuring that everyone is on the same page and that your hard-earned organization doesn't crumble faster than a cookie in a toddler's hand. Now, before you start picturing yourself drowning in a sea of paperwork and laminated signs, take a deep breath. Establishing standards doesn't have to be a soul-sucking endeavor. In fact, it can be surprisingly simple and even, dare I say it, fun.